It can process three-dimensional complex samples, all degrees carving, very helpful for the carving processing industry. Mainly used for statues, stone lions, stone unicorns, pillars, etc. Adopted Studio CNC control system, large color screen display, easy and simple to operate. High performance new material, motors and drivers can resist head shock in bad environment. Ensure the working high speed and accuracy. Aircraft quality surface oxidized aluminum profile cable which hitting thickened PVC board, enhancing the loading capacity of the platform. Steel two-blade bed, low center of gravity, strong bearing capacity, stable in long working life. Frequency changing water cooled spindle with high-speed bearing technology, make low noise, fast response, high rotational speed and safeguards stability for long-time work. High-quality guide rail, ball screw, wrap used on X, Y, and Z axes provides smooth motion and tight control for precise and quality engraving. Automatic oil feeding and lubrication system makes the regular maintenance very easy and reduce waste. Heavy-duty T-slot machine body with reinforcing steel bar, which makes the machine more stable and with larger loading capacity. This is a professional stone CNC router. The stone CNC router has double heads and higher Z-axis. The double heads can work together. Meanwhile, the higher Z-axis make the stone easier to process on the heightened walls on both sides of the work table. Also improve the safety of the granite carving machine. Welcome to contact us.